Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this SAWEETIE inspired look. Here's the picture of it right here of what I was going for, and I'm pretty sure like I nailed it. The only thing that's like different is that our hair is different and like she has scrunchies on it. Little minute details for the other parts of this. Girl, I killed it. And I look 10. I need to take this off now. It's crazy how like I look like a child. So, you know, I don't know how I feel about that, but you feel me? I got the look for y'all, included how I did my hair and a full face of makeup. So if you want to see how I got this, please stay tuned and keep watching. Today I'm doing that SAWEETIE inspired look that she just posted like literally yesterday. Or like 2 days ago. It was like less than 2 days ago. Like she just did this. So I got on my little bikini top. I'm about to do my face. I'm about to do a little cloud shit. You guys saw the intro. You know what it's gonna look like. So let's hop into it. I'm gonna start doing my like regular face makeup, and we're gonna like speed through it. What I've been doing recently is mixing. Where's mine? Here it is. I've been mixing my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation and my Maybelline Fit Me. Just because honestly I don't have a shade for me right now, and so this makes it easier for me to have a shade. And also I don't want to waste like none of my NARS foundation while I'm sitting in the house to do nothing. So we're gonna save the NARS for, you know, special occasions, you feel me? We're gonna use the LA Girl and the Maybelline right now. No, I'm about to look orange, but I promise it comes together. Like, you can trust me, I won't lead you astray. And so I'm gonna try to. Next, I'm gonna use a new concealer. I went to the Beauty Supply store and dropped a bank today, so I just want to not go back ever again. So I was gonna add a concealer, so I got me a new one. We're gonna not add a lot of it though, just enough to like do the job, because this is kind of brighter than I'm used to. So I'm not gonna add. Why am I saying that and then literally doing what I usually do? Like, wow, I'm not. Have I been missing out on highlighting this whole time? I remember there's a phase in my makeup life where I just was like, that's so dumb. Like, I don't get why y'all are doing that. And maybe that's because I was younger and just didn't have bags. Like, I look tired even me because I was tired. But I had no bags back then. And now, baby, I got bags. So, I don't know. But highlighting, it's really that judge. And I really thought it wasn't that judge for like a long time. Very glad to have come around full circle. I'm running low on it. I don't even want to use it no more. I spilled it everywhere. I guess I just can't use that powder now. I wasted my use on it. I wasted my use of the powder on the floor. So now I gotta use my air spun. My dumb ass. That's what I get. So I'm gonna use this air spun, what I deserve to be using after that. Y'all, I'm not even gonna show y'all how much I spilled because it was just a lot. And I don't even feel like I want to talk about it anymore. So we're gonna move on. I'm gonna set my face using my air spun. I'm gonna blend out my creases a little bit because I took forever because I want to drop stuff. Fuck. I peeped my nails. I did it myself, of course, because what the fuck else am I gonna do while I'm in here? We can sit here and complain about being ugly. We can fix it. You know, learn how to do your own brows. You got it. I've never been more appreciative to know how to do these things I don't know how to do, like, so now. Like, of course, I was like, oh, wow, I can do them. That's cool. But I've never had, like, to be forced to do them. Like other people doing things for me has always been, like, an option. But now, like, I want to do my hair. I want my hair done. I'm doing my hair. I mean, I was going to do my hair before anyway. But, like, you know, I'm doing my hair now. Like, there's no other option. I'm doing my hair now. So here, you know, here's an easy hair tutorial at the end coming up for you. And an easy makeup look. You know, why not do this too? We can all be SAWEETIEs in our house looking cute with our clouds on our face, bitch. We all can be that. Okay, so now our face is like mostly done except for highlight, but I feel like we should add highlight when we're done with, like, or should we? No, I'll add my nose highlight now. No, we're adding highlight right now, all of the highlight. Okay, so now our face is ready to do, you know, the main portion. So I'm really not sure exactly how I'm going to do this yet. I have like a crayon, girl. What kind of pencil is this? I have a white pencil liner and then I have a liquid liner. So I'm gonna look at her picture one more again real quick. So she had 2 little rainbows right here, and then, you know, several clouds everywhere else. So I think what I'm gonna do is just, and then I'm gonna use the white as a base, and then use eyeshadows on top of the white to make it pop, if that makes sense. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so I got it figured out, and I did this side, and it looks okay. It looks decent. I ain't done no look like this in a long old time. I feel washed up. This ain't even like a look. It's just like, haha, cutesy. And I'm really over here like, I don't know, I'm not gonna downplay myself, but I just stop talking about myself in general. We can stop. So what I have now is just the shape of the rainbow I'm going for. See, I was in my head saying Roy G. Biv over and over again, then I still didn't do the rainbows. I think it was just like whatever colors I wanted to do. So now I gotta mimic what's on the other side, and I have each designated angle. I have an angled brush for each color, and I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette along with my Zulu palette, and I'm gonna use the dark purple from the Take Me to Brazil palette on the purple brush I got here for it. And we're just gonna mark out the color. And then you'll just repeat this with each color in each brush. Red. Orange kind of faded out, so I'm about to bring it back real quick. And then blue. And then I'm gonna add a little more white. And what I've been doing to make it easier to apply it is be careful with this. Be careful. I'm gonna use my lighter and just go ahead and just briefly touch on it. Nothing too heavy. Blow on it a little bit. And then use the same technique. Okay, so now I have my white liner, and I'm gonna find my Q-tip. And then what I'm gonna do with the white liner, isn't it crazy how long this brush handle is and how little product is in this bitch? I have a problem with that. And then I'm gonna just dot some of the product onto the Q-tip, and then immediately after, go ahead and just start dotting. And the Q-tip will give it like a cloud effect anyway. So boom. And that's how you do that one. Keep repeating these same steps. Keep tapping off this. We'll do the first one right here. Boom. Cloud. Dot 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 dot. And then we'll make big dots, and then some little dots, and then, you know, we'll just make it look like a cloud. Maybe, I don't know, it don't look like a cloud so far. Hopefully it end up looking like one. Girls look like no cloud. Where's? I'm going to be throwing on my Peach Echo Lashes by Vluxe. And I'm going to be doing my lips as well. This used to be my favorite lip combo back in high school. So you're going to bring her back. It's a brown lip liner and Abu Dhabi Self Matte Lip Cream from NYX. And this is still not glossy enough for me, so I'm going to throw on a gloss. And it's just a regular clear gloss. from the media supply store. So I got these Ballies. She had scrunchies on her picture, but I wanted Ballies. Also, I couldn't find no scrunchies. So I'm about to add these on here. You girls, you know how Ballies work? Hey, call to action. Comment what y'all call Ballies. I know everybody don't call them Ballies, and no, Ballies is the correct term. They're called Ballies, but I know some people call them knockers, balls, different types of shit. These is Ballies. I guess I forgot to have explained what I did to get my hair, so here I am in voiceover style to show you. So starting out, I just took the end of the bundle and just put a bobby pin through it, and I already have my hair braided up, and I'm going to go ahead and put this bobby pin through the rubber band and start wrapping the hair up upon the braid until I get to the base of it, which I'm going to use the own hair and wrap it around until I get that nice seal, no bobby pins needed.
Fire cell, clutch back, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats for that ass that. Love my attitude, so he call me little brat. He love me long time, cause it's cash, yeah, I match that.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching how I got this. I really do feel 10. I think this is cute, you know, this is cute, but the way my cheeks are set up, I can't go out and about looking like this because I literally look 10, you know. This is my first like look that's not a natural beat in a long time, so I'm proud of this. Let's see if I can do some more in this quarantine time, you know, recreate it, you know, tag me, tag Sweetie, you know, feel me, like and comment on this video, subscribe to me, boom, like this video, subscribe to me. See you in the next one. Bye, beautiful.
Mwah.